Today I'll show you how to cook fresh edamame. Fresh edamame is one of the simplest tastes of Japanese summer. It's a seasonal delicacy that we can enjoy for only a short time in summer. And when it's fresh, the natural sweetness and flavor are exceptional. The key is not to overcook it. Cook it too long and it loses the wonderful crunch, but if undercook it, and it can be difficult to digest. So today I'll show you how to cook fresh edamame perfectly. First, wash the edamame and clean the surface. Place it in a bowl and add about 1 teaspoon of salt and gently rub the pot together. This helps remove the fine fuzz on the surface. Once your edamame is clean, rinse away the salt. Now cut off both ends of each part. This helps the edamame cook more evenly, allow the salty water to get inside. And it also makes it easier to eat. Bring a pot of water, about 5 cups to 1 liter, to a boil. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add your prepared edamame. Boil for about 5 to 6 minutes until the beans are cooked through but still have a nice bite. Here's the important part. If you overcook edamame, it becomes too soft and loses its beautiful texture. But you don't want to undercook it either. So the best way to check, take out one part, pop out the bean, and check the texture. When it's tender, sweet, and still slightly firm, it's ready. Drain immediately and spread edamame onto a bamboo mat or tray so it can cool down quickly. And that's pretty much done. If you like, you can sprinkle a little more salt on top. But personally, I love the natural sweetness of fresh edamame, so I usually leave it as it is. At this time of the year, fresh edamame is at its best, and the flavor is exceptional. Simple, sweet, and so satisfying. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. This is truly a dream come true. I worked so hard to bring this book to life. Thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate your support, and I cannot wait you to get one in your hand. And pre-order is available, so please check the link in the description box below. Arigato and thank you.